if you think about it, if the market was totally random, and we were trying to predict the top 10% of analysts in any given month, we would have about a 10% shot of predicting them if the market was totally random. Obviously, you and I believe that the market's not random. And so,
actually, I'm not convinced, but go on.
You're not convinced. True. So what we did is we looked at the data, and anecdotally, we saw the same people getting paid in the top 10% every month. And so we thought, well, what could we predict, next month's top 10% better than just randomly, right? If it was totally random, you'd have a 10% shot of picking the top 10%. And we found that, looking at the historical data, we could predict the top 10%. We could predict about 40% of that. And so we were getting very statistically significant results of using track records to predict the next month's great analysts.
Let's bring the markets into this. And as I mentioned at the top, it's been a difficult time, a bear market. I mean, we've had a bear market in tech for several months now. The S&P is not quite there as we record this. It could get there by the end of this recording, who knows? But what are and I touched on before that you were picking up a week ago on bearish crypto and bullish value signals. What are you picking up now as we record this around midday on Wednesday, May 11th?
We talked a week ago, and back then they were long commodities, long energy stocks, and then long beaten down tech stocks and value stocks as well, and then short crypto. That trade was up 4% since we last talked, and where the market's down 4 to 5%. And so that worked out really well. I would say the portfolio looks very similar, right? It's long commodities and the fertilizer stocks, MOS, NTR. It's long, financials, long energy stocks, and then long some of those beaten up tech names, like Facebook and Baba. And what they've done is they've taken off the crypto exposure. There is no longs, no shorts in crypto, which is really fascinating because our group is, definitely a little bit leans over index on the crypto side. And they've done particularly well because of that. And this is one of the few times that they just have no exposure on it.
When you say crypto, you mean the actual cryptocurrencies, not stocks like Coinbase or?
No, just Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Sure. Okay.